Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my presentation. My name is Shahab Jalkhan Topu. My ID is ASH2024011M. My presentation topic is Debian security features. Now I am describing about Debian security features. We know that Debian security features depends on Linux operating system. That is a old operating system. Debian takes security very seriously. If we see the slide, we can tell that Debian security refers to the policies, practices, and features implemented in the Debian operating system to protect it from various security threats. So, we can tell Debian security saves us from various security threats. It is very important for the security system. The next slide. Debian security features. Here are some Debian security features. The first features: secure by default, package management and security updates, access control. Access control and package management security updates has some sub steps. The first sub steps: APT package manager, security team, access control, user and group management, sudo app armor. The next features, Debian security features: cryptographic tools, network security. Network security has some sub steps: firewall, TCP, wrapper. Network security features in the Debian security system is very essential. It should increase the security of network. It is a very important system. Security updates and patches. Security updates and patches, the first steps: Debian security team, Debian security advisors. Debian security team, what is? Debian security team is responsible for identifying, backporting security patch and ensuring timely updates for the Debian distribution. And the next slide, package management and updates. Debian uses APT system to manage software packages and updates. Debian use APT system. APT system is very uh, user friendly system. APT configuration for security updates. Here is a example. You should follow it. The next slide, applying security updates, stable and LTS realize. Best practices for managing security updates. How we can practice best? There are some steps. The first steps: regular updates. We should update regular. And the second steps: automated updates, monitor advisors, backup systems. And the last steps: minimize exposure, run only essential services, and regularly review and harden system configuration. It is the last steps for best practice managing security updates. Debian securities user management. How we can management Debian securities user? The first, we should create a users. We should create a password. Here is example how we can create password. We should create account configuration restricting user access. And Debian securities group management. How we can manage the Debian securities group? The first steps: creating groups. Second steps: managing group management membership. Managing group membership has a sub steps, that is group configuration. And the next slide has security best practices for user and group management. List privilege principles and sudo access. Sudo access has a example. Sudo access, what is sudo access? Use sudo access for granting temporary elevated privilege configure. And here is a example. The next that that is the presentation from me. That is the presentation from me. Assalamu alaikum for give me a opportunity.